Hey, what's up everybody? It's your buddy London Hawthorne here with another unboxing. Today I've got this huge box. It's actually not too heavy at all, but it's shipped from Greenfield, Indiana to South Bend, Indiana. So kind of almost the southernmost part of Indiana all the way to the very, very, very top of Indiana. Not sponsored by Walmart.com, but I'd love to be. If you want to help support my videos, you can share my videos, you can hit the thumbs up button, you can subscribe. Got some of this bubble wrap stuff. I'm also not sponsored by any of the products that are in the video, but I would love to be. So if you've been following some of my videos, you know that I am in the middle of a weight loss journey. Wow, they use this huge box, okay, for this. But this is a new scale. This is Bally Total Fitness Digital Bathroom Scale. Step-on technology provides instant readings, easy to read 3.1 LCD display. Tempered glass will hold up to 400 pounds. High precision sensors give precise weight and uses one lithium battery, which is included. Hell yeah! So I'm pretty hyped about this. Guess I can open it up. So, you know, I don't live and die by the scale, or live and breathe, whatever the adage is. But I do like to be aware of what I'm weighing at the moment. Unfortunately, my scale on the floor has not been accurate lately. I know it's saying like I'm up like 10 pounds a day, and it's not possible because I know what I'm eating. I almost dropped it. So there's that. There's some foam stuff. So I'm not going to get on a scale and weigh myself on camera. Not yet. But I did a 3-year warranty, so I haven't been doing the warranties on the other ones. But I need to definitely do it up for this because I'm getting sick of these scales not working. But so there we go. Now just took that plastic thing off. So here's the scale. It's on pounds, so it's working. So I'm going to end this video here. Bally Total Fitness is a very, very, very well-known brand. They have truly one of the most successful gym franchises there is. We don't have any around here, but I would love to check one out one day. I've lost about 207 pounds and counting, and hopefully this scale is going to help me, you know, be cognizant, be aware of continuing my journey. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other videos. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. Send me a buck, whatever. It helps out big time because all this stuff, like I said, is bought by myself. You can also go to onceuponatea.net or riptapparel.com. That's onceuponatea.net or riptapparel.com. Find the shirt of your choice and use my username as your coupon code, London Hawthorne, and you'll save like 10% off your shirt. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and good luck in your journey. Have a good one.